Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Klaviyo to BigCommerce, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once logged in, navigate to the Integrations tab located in the left sidebar. Click on the All Integrations option. In the search bar, type BigCommerce to find the integration. Select the BigCommerce integration from the list. Click on the Connect to BigCommerce button. You will be redirected to the BigCommerce login page. Enter your BigCommerce store credentials and click Login. Authorize the connection by clicking Allow when prompted. Once connected, return to Klaviyo. Now, in Klaviyo, configure your settings for the integration. Select the lists you want to sync with BigCommerce. You can also choose to enable or disable certain data synchronization options. Review your selection carefully before proceeding. Click the Save Settings button to finalize the connection. Now, go back to your BigCommerce dashboard. To ensure everything is working correctly, check your integration status in Klaviyo. You should see a confirmation that your BigCommerce store is now connected. Navigate through your Klaviyo dashboard to confirm the data is syncing properly. Finally, test the integration by placing a test order in your BigCommerce store. Monitor Klaviyo for the data related to the test order to ensure everything is functioning as expected. This completes your connection of Klaviyo to BigCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.